My name is Kajal and my student ID is MIT201101. Today I will explain my assignment part 1B. So let me share the screen. So today, as I said, I will explain my assignment part 1B. So this is subject MN623 cybersecurity and analytics. Here I will explain the implementation and evaluation of the penetration testing tools. First of all, I will describe the feedback for my assignment part A. From the feedback, the details that included in previous assessment are not enough to analysis. The details about the security tools and techniques are not in detailed format. To solve these issues, the current assessment developed with better description. The solution to the security issues are included in the assessment. So this is my feedback which I got. So for keep in mind this one, I have for the assignment, I have considered this one. And for the second assignment, I also provide the missing details and along with the practical work like hacking process of each security tool. After that, there is the introduction of my assignment part B. Over the network, the security concern difficulties are rising, and which is one of more, and providing the better protection and security to the devices from network issues is more complex. So in order to control this all the issues, some of the security tools and techniques are used. Analyzing and evaluating the security tools is main aim and the objective of the presentation. So this presentation provides a detailed information about the security tools and its uses in the hacking of the website and systems. Wireshark and ZDP tool practical works are given in the following slides and suitable security measures provided for target system protection. I used Wireshark and ZDP because I have mentioned earlier in my assignment part A. So I will use these two software for the pen testing. So for the next slides, there are two security tools like in this assessment, better security solution providing tools of Wireshark and SQL Map are used. The Wireshark is used to capture and identify threats and weakness of the website or network, and ZAP helps to identify the weakness of host or website by assessing the IP address. These two tools are analyzed and evaluated in this research. The selected two security tools such as ZAP and Wireshark are utilized in this assignment to perform hacking process on the targeted website or database. These tools are widely used by penetration tester for finding vulnerability and weakness in the system. So first of all, I want to explain what is Wireshark and ZAP. Wireshark is the network analyzer tool that is used to capture the packet from the network connection. The tool is used with the computer to capture the packet from the file, and this is analyzed with a discrete signal that is analyzed with the Ethernet network. And ZAP means JetProc attack proxy tool. This tool is very easy to use, and this is integrated with the penetration testing that is used to predict or identify the vulnerability in the web application. This is designed specially for security that is experienced with the developers to address the penetration testing. So now I will discuss the penetration testing, which is in the next slide. So for this, I have provided that screenshot. First of all, we are using the we chosen the Kali Linux as a software for the testing platform, and it also explained the pre-installed tool, so it is easy to use Wireshark tool without installation process. access application menu and enable sniffing, like here sniffing and spoofing tool for using Wireshark tool to further operation. So in the next slide, there is a like I will do packet capturing. As you like see from the screenshot, there is a like Wireshark option. The tool automatically started its function like these functions, and then they select the interference like this interference, which listed out in the screen. And once select the interference enable to start like this, they will start capturing process of the performing packet capturing process. Like this one, they are starting like here, they are starting the capturing process. After that, they will we will access the target system by using Wireshark tool. We have to like we can use any website. So here we will use like this Tech Panda website. For this we have like use any, like we can use any example, like we have to do like this any we can add any email or add any password. So access this target website in the browser, like we have to do this here in the browser and enter the like login and username. After that enable submit option, like here we have to will be like one option. Then we have to Wireshark tool to stop packet capture processing. After that, like we have to exploiting system weakness during this user access their account. Like here we have to like you can see like here we have to add like HTTP details are captured by the Wireshark tool. After that enable to stop capturing option, filter the like HTTP which is shown here by entering the keyword of their filter field. Then open the respective option like here, and then find out the sniffing details corresponding here. And after that, here the system weakness is not protected, we can see from here, because it is encryption method, so anyone can easily hack the website through like user login details. Browser setup for ZAP. Like it also penetration tool. So over the web browser, the web address of localhost is added, like this one here. And downloading Foxy proxy is downloaded on the Kali Linux, and it started up with the browser, which is downloaded here, and then browser. After that, Foxy proxy is, like tool is set up with the IP address of the local host address, which is shown here and here. After that, we have to setting up with the ZAP, like there is we showing that welcome to the OSCP-Z proxy attack. Then we have to open and setting up with the IP address of the local host to get website information. After that, we have to like exfoliating weakness. Finally, using of capture option, like we can see from here, website details are gathered on the like ZAP application. So evaluation of the security tools. From the analysis and examination of the security tools, the weakness of the websites are identified. These two tools are help to system to detect the security attacks and threats on the host. Weakness of the website can be identified and resolvable by the security tools. The security measures and protection will be determined by the security tools. The weakness of the target website and database found using the selected security tools. Now security measures are need to identify and implement in order to protect the system from the vulnerability attackers and hackers. After that, there is a conclusion of my assignment. The most effective security tool analyzed and evaluated in this presentation. Running the tools on Kali Linux-based runtime platform security tools were evaluated. The major security weakness and the complexities of the website or system are identified by the tools. These effectiveness of tools were analyzed and evaluated by the presentation. So security tools are used to perform the hacking operation on target website and database, which helps to find the weakness in the website and system. After finding the weakness, appropriate solution implemented to protect it from the hacking and another attacks. So here is the references. So that's all about my assignment part 1B. Like I have provided all the things. So thank you.